Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an Uber Eats delivery account in the UK step by step. First, open your browser and search for Uber Eats Delivery Sign Up UK. Click on the official Uber link that says Sign Up to Deliver. Next, you'll be asked to create an account. You can use your email, your Google account, or even Apple. For this example, I'll continue with Google. Fill in your first and last name, your mobile number, and other basic details. Review Uber's terms and privacy notice, agree to them, then click Next. Now, select where you want to deliver. For example, you could enter London, UK, and then tap Next. Next, choose how you want to deliver. Options usually include car, motorbike, or bicycle. For now, let's choose bicycle delivery with Uber Eats. You'll be shown Uber's agreements and consents. Click I accept and continue. At this stage, you need to upload your documents. This can include an ID card or driver's license, a profile photo, your bank details for payments, and proof of food transport equipment. Uber will also run a background check. Once everything is uploaded, submit your application. Uber Eats will review it and contact you by email with the next steps. And that's it. Your Uber Eats delivery account in the UK is set up. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.